Welcome back to my KDP Low Content channel. If you are looking for a new niche to work on Amazon KDP, then this video is only for you. Finding a good profitable book niche on KDP can be really hard, but in this video I want to show you how to find a good profitable niche that I have found that is highly profitable and with a little bit of effort. So let's go Amazon Marketplace and then search letter tracing. So here result shows 5,000. Results shows 5,000 and here we shows $72,230 review. This is awesome. This is awesome. Here 883 review. So we can also search this book. Wow, 1,000 results. 1,000 results. ABC letter tracing practice workbook for kids. This 1,000 results. So this is small niche. So this is small niche. This is small niche, and we also search this book. Here we find out ABC letter tracing practice workbook for kids. This is also a small niche, and here we can check trademark ABC. We can also search Google. No, there is no movie, there is no logo, there is no brand, there is no artwork. So this is only book. So we find out set niche. So we also search trademark, then checkbox books, and also search notice records are found to match the criteria of your query. So this is a very profitable niche, that is ABC letter tracing workbook for kids. So this is a small niche, and you have to make good manuscript and good quality cover and publish the book Amazon KDP and earn money from Amazon a lot of. So we can check out also his income. His BSR rank is 149. 14149. Now his BSR is 1448. 1448. 1448. Wow. Per day sales 112 and per month says 16,000. Sorry, 1,686. So this is a very profitable niche. This is a very profitable niche. ABC letter tracing practice workbook for kids. So another we find out trace letter 17,460. We can also check trace letter how many book published of this niche. 3,000 results. This is also a big niche. We have find another the complete handwriting practice workbook for kids. Wow, this is only 299 results. The complete handwriting practice workbook for kids. Here we shows 245 review. So this is another good niche, and this is also a micro niche. 2029, and we can check trademark complete. We can also check search Google search that is this is movie no channel, no movie character. So this is very safe niche. And also check teas, then check books, then search. Notice records are found to match the criteria of your query. So this is a safe niche, and you have to a lot of money from this type of niche. So guys, today's video we find out two complete niche. First of all, ABC letter tracing practice workbook for kids. So today's video we find two profitable niche. First one is ABC letter tracing practice workbook for kids. ABC letter tracing practice workbook for kids. Now second one is the complete workbook for kids. Second one is the complete handwriting practice workbook for kids. So these two niche both are very profitable and low competition. So you have to make a good cover and good manuscript and perfect keyword and upload the KDP and publish your handwritten practice book and earn money per month a lot of. So this two niche very profitable and low competition niche. So if you like my videos, so if you, so this two niche you can safely publish from this type of niche books and earn money a lot of. So you can safely publish. So guys, if you get the right niche from my today's video, please do subscribe to my channel and share my video to your friends and family and whoever is interested in passive income. And in this video, if you find the right niche, I do really appreciate a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell icon so I can actually share with you more niches, more ideas and help you to scale your self-publishing business. So until the next video, look forward to seeing them. So thank you so much. Thank you all.